Hello! Logic rules help you limit or require certain choices based on other choices made by the customer. It can be helpful for preventing certain design combinations that shouldn't be allowed. Here on this beach cruiser bike customizer, let's say that when the seat is beige, we want the pedals and tires to be beige as well. We'll create a logic rule to make that happen. To access the logic rules, I will click on the logic button here, and I'll click on Add Rule to create the first rule. When seat is beige, then pedals should be beige. And I'll duplicate the rule to create the next one. When seat is beige, then tires should be beige. Okay, let's go see if it works. I'll click on the arrow here to go back to the customizer preview. When I select beige as the seat color, the pedals and tires instantly change to beige. Awesome! It works! That's it for this video. Let us know if you have any questions about logic rules in the live chat or over email at help@gokickflip.com.